In this video, I'll explain workflow time windows, how automations can run only during selected time periods instead of staying active all day. Not every automation should run all day. Workflow time windows let you define exactly when a workflow is allowed to operate. So automations stay useful without wasting energy. For example, your AC automation can respond to temperature changes only during sleeping hours, instead of running when nobody is home. Outside the selected time window, the workflow remains inactive automatically. You can also choose always on mode for workflows that need continuous monitoring 24/7. This gives you smarter control, better efficiency, and automations that match your actual routine. Now, I'm going to show you how to use workflow time windows to ensure your automations run only when needed. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Automation at the bottom. Tap on the plus icon. Select Workflow and create a new workflow. Enter a name for the workflow. Select the room and tap OK. Under Timings, choose whether the workflow should run during a specific time window or select Always On if it needs to operate continuously. If you select Time window, set the start time and end time during which the workflow should remain active. That's it. The workflow will execute only during the selected time period and will remain inactive outside those hours. If Always On is selected, the workflow will operate continuously and respond to triggers 24/7. This helps ensure your automations run only when needed, improving efficiency and matching your daily routine. Thank you.